Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit in Onshape. So let's say you made a mistake or you needed to change something, etc. It's very easy to edit without having to start again. So what you can actually do over here in the timeline, you can edit. So if you're in year 7 and you're watching this, we're going to change the size of this. So we're going to go to sketch 1 over here. That was the very first thing we drew. So if we double click items in here, we can edit. And that was our starting size is 205 by 12 millimeters. So double click and we'll change that to 210. Press enter. It will adjust the size of that. Once I tick this, everything else gets updated. That item is now 210 millimeters long. And you can check that by using the tape measure down here. So click the tape measure, select entities to measure. So if we click this edge to this edge, it will tell us that it is now 210 millimeters long. So we can close that. We can also edit any of these other features along the way. So the extrusion, we originally made that 67, so we could change that. Let's change it to 70. Press enter, and did you see that update? Tick, and everything else will update with it. So that's an easy way to edit in this program. Makes it really quick to change sizes and so on.